Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Well guys, I have checked the different currency pairs right now, and among the majors there's really no very interesting setups. So almost on every currency this price action is really lazy. It's not very tremendous action nowhere. That's why guys, I think that we could dedicate this update to the euro currency again. Besides, if you remember, in our weekly research we said that the first stage of our trading plan will be to monitor the shape and the pace of the current retracement on the daily chart. Because market has completed some intraday bullish patterns. Also on Friday we've got this wash and rinse of these previous lows, and that could lead to some significant reaction on these patterns, on this grabbing the stops right below these lows. And we need first to watch what the shape, what the pace market will show with these patterns, with this bullish stop grabbing. And currently, after some days, when this has happened, we see that price action absolutely doesn't hurry to show any upward significant rally. It shows no acceleration to the upside. It just hang above these lows. Okay, so we see that market just stands flat and doesn't show any really significant bounce. This in general is a bearish sign, and this suggests that market has more chances to continue move lower than to show any upward action, because market really looks heavy right now. It wasn't able even to bounce up after the bullish patterns and after appearing of the stop grabbing, the stop washing below these lows. And this is usually shows how heavy market is, and that market really could continue move lower. Our nearest target on the daily time frame chart, if this will happen and market will continue move lower, stands at 127 as this bar flying by, and right in an area of the yearly pivot points, 134.75. That's a very significant area that market could test again, because the yearly pivot point already has been tested in February. So the market has shown the significant bounce to the upside and has reached the area around just below 140 area, somewhere around 138.50. This is top of the current year, and market right now is returning right back down, right to this area. Yearly pivots, it's by itself works as the significant magnet, and price action really gravitates to this area, especially when it has the tendency to approach to it. And you can see that market stands just a few pips higher than the stands yearly pivot point, and in most cases this usually leads to testing of this yearly pivot point. But reaching of the yearly pivot point for the second time during the year does not promise any positive. So when the market returns right back down to the yearly pivot point, this is probably could mean that another challenge of the yearly pivot point could lead to this breakout, because market already has tested it once, has shown the move to the upside, but it hasn't reached the yearly pivot resistance one and returned right back down. And that really could mean that the sentiment on the every currency is shifting, gradually is shifting. And if market will move below the yearly pivot point, that will be really significant moment. But currently we do not know that, and we will use this area just as the target in the nearest perspective from the daily time frame chart. But in general guys, as I said, this minor bounce and in general these small candles and decision candles that market is forming looks not very promising, and it's really shows some indecision of the price action and points on the weakness of the market. This market is not ready for showing a rally. Nobody wants to do that. even after some positive moments that we've got on the previous week and on this clearing out of these lows. So it means that probably this action not probably hasn't had the target to grab the stops and turn to the upside. That wasn't just the hunting on the stops, but that's really the trend to the downside. And the fact that market hasn't shown any reversal here just confirms that this is not just a hunting action for the stops. That's really the stop hunting and the stop washing is just the moment of this downward action, just the episode with this downward action. It means that the downward action is still valid and probably will continue, because market in fact shows no reaction on this stop grabbing. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the fib levels, and we said that the possible area that market could reach with the retracement, if it will take shape of the ABCD action to the upside or any other pattern that will be formed here, stands with this area. And that's our preferable area where if market is really bearish, and we think that it is, at least currently, that's our preferable area where the rally should stop and the market should finish the retracement, because that's the really significant and strong area of resistance. It's around 135 area, 135.80 circumference resistance, and take a look. That is former lows. That also adds value to this area. Currently, market has reached just the 3.8 resistance, 135.50 area, shown it, tested it, returns a big down. So here we could get some kind of the ABCD pattern maybe. On the hourly chart, I have drawn this. So, for example, if we will get some sort of the ABC bottom, and here we could get some kind of the head and shoulders, right? Some type of this pattern, because so-called left shoulder stance is 1618 to the head. Okay, at least this reminds the shape of the head and shoulder. And if we will get this ABCD patterns, the potential target of the head and shoulders, it coincides 135.72, 135.75 area. That's the target of this ABCD pattern, and that stands precisely in an area of this confidence resistance. Also, guys, if market will form here some kind of the butterfly or crab pattern, because this moves really small, the 1618 of this retracement of this leg stands right here at the same area. Okay, and taking into consideration the shape the market is showing here, we could say that it's not the impulse on thrusting action. That's not the reversal, at least currently. This really gradual, very lazy action on the euro currency, and it really looks more as a retracement, but absolutely doesn't look like the reversal. Okay. If we will measure the downward possible development, here guys you can see that we could get the butterfly as well to the downside. Okay, if market will start move down right from this area, then we will see that 1618 extension to the downside will stand at 34.55 area, and 134.55 stands right in the same area where stands the butterfly on the daily chart. Okay, and this means that it's not the fact that market is really will reach this area, and currently market stands at some, so we could call it, breaking point, because this particular low is very significant. I mean this low, because the market will take it out, this butterfly, if it will possible, will fail, and market will turn to the downside again. Besides, two significant action below this low will break the potential harmony of this so-called head and shoulders pattern, and will increase the chances that the market probably will try to break through these lows, will make the challenge of these lows and continue move lower. So currently, as you can see, the situation is intriguing, and market stands at some very significant point, because soon, I think that even during today's trading session, the riddle could be resolved, where market will continue move higher, reach our confluence and turn to the downside, or it will break these lows and will continue move lower and with the chance to challenge these lows and complete this butterfly, that simultaneously will be the culmination of the setup on the daily chart, because simultaneously with this butterfly, the greater daily butterfly will be completed and market will test finally the yearly pivot point. So guys, take a look that this is weekly pivot support one, since the same area. So let's see what will happen, and probably during the current week we will get some interesting action here.